Mayor and members of the council and members of staff, thank you very much for making a few minutes time available in your very busy agenda for me to be with you this evening. And I have the honor of presenting our community report for you. This is the 5th year that we've done this. I think this is an idea we kind of borrowed from you guys. A couple reasons why we do this is, one, is it helps us share with our constituents the wide variety of services that the county government provides. And secondly, in the community report, we try to include performance measures so that citizens can evaluate the effectiveness of how we're using their tax dollars in providing services to them. This year, the community report is based on service areas in the county. And in the inside, community resources and planning is one of our service areas. And you can see some of our solid waste statistics in there. I want to call your attention to the Innovation Award. Larimer County worked very closely with the city and county of Broomfield to develop you were speaking of water earlier, a water sharing concept on some open space that we bought outside of Berthoud to preserve agricultural water on some of our farms. If we look over to public records and information services at the top there in the center, vehicle licensing services, our county is responsible for vehicle license registrations, and our county clerk, Angela Myers, has instituted a number of very first things in our community for the state of Colorado. The ability to schedule appointments, self-service kiosks in the courthouse, and now moving out into some of the grocery stores for folks to do their license work, and online services and online chat in real time with a technician. If you fold the last page in, you'll see public safety services. And I want to highlight our mental health co-responder program that we have received a 5-year grant for, and something that the municipalities have been working on, and is a joint effort that we're involved with our municipal partners to help our first responders have a mental health professional along with them. The very last page is our health and economic and human services. And I want to point out at the very bottom of that back page, our workforce center serves about 19,000 people a year with job, resume skills, interview skills, works with our local employers on matching workers with the needs they have, and work with our community colleges to help train workers in emerging needs in our community. And our workforce center has added $89 million of value added to the local economy through the work that they do at the workforce center. And I just want to conclude by saying how grateful we are with the very close collaborative working relationship we have with the city of Fort Collins and our other 7 municipalities in Larimer County. And as I speak with commissioners around the state, that isn't always the norm. We have a very close working relationship with you all, whether that is on solid waste management, whether that's on the co-responder program. And I want to point out how much your help has meant to us in the mental health initiative that we have on the ballot in November. Because of the input that you have given us, because of the collaboration that we've had with you, the suggestions, because of the work we've done with community providers, we have a much better proposal than we had 2 years ago. And that's largely because of the help that you have given us in that area. And if we have the opportunity to make a major improvement in the mental health in our community and have a mental health system to go along with the outstanding physical health care that we have in our community with that effort. And a lot of it is because of the collaboration that you have provided us. So I have copies for everybody and copies for Councilmember Overbeck and Horak, and I'll leave some out on the table for citizens if that's okay. But thank you very much for letting me visit with you tonight.